Some child care providers worry the state's changes to an affordable child care program will leave behind families in need. They're voicing their concerns after the Department of Health and Welfare recently announced its plans to resume applications for the program in the new year. Abby Davis is following this story. Providers told you the news is a double-edged sword.
Hunter, they're excited the program will be up and running again soon, but they say it's coming back a shell of what it was earlier this year.
2, 3.
We're big believers in speaking for those who can't speak for themselves.
Childcare providers continue using their voices to protest Department of Health and Welfare decisions regarding the Idaho child care program. ICCP helps families pay for child care with federal dollars.
We were only given 2 days notice in August that this pause was even coming.
KTVB first talked to Rebecca Grindstaff with Nampa's Care House Learning Center in October.
When he stops to catch his breath.
2 months after the state paused program applications to address a projected $15 million budget deficit.
I don't think I totally grasped the full extent of how bad the ramifications would be.
This month, the department announced it's resuming applications in January, but
that news came with some baggage.
Health and Welfare Director Alex Adams outlined several changes in a letter to lawmakers, including lowering the eligibility threshold from 175% of the federal poverty level back to the pre-COVID rate of 130, and adding an enrollment wait list to let the budget drive the program.
It's a huge burden no matter how you look at it.
Draft Laugh Executive Director Lori Facilla says that burden falls on families.
A lot of our current parents are just going to fall off the program once they renew.
And providers.
Really has affected people's ability to go to work in those areas, but also our ability to fill up our centers.
Providers may not even accept the Idaho child care program moving forward because it's simply unreliable and we can't count on it for our budgets.
The department declined an interview, but in the letter, Director Adams said the changes ensure the program is financially sound, at least for now, saying, quote, "We remain ready, willing, and able to work with the legislature to explore both regulatory reforms and budgetary solutions."
We're hanging in there, but it's going to be a rough ride.
Grindstaff and Facilla say they're working on ways to increase fundraising so they can give more families scholarships. Meantime, the changes will continue to hit providers' bottom lines for the foreseeable future. KTVB has covered this ordeal since the beginning, and those stories are on our website, ktvb.com. Hunter.
Awesome. Thank you, Abby, for the coverage.